Let me tell you something real. If you're watching this video right now, it's not by accident. It's because deep inside you, you know you are meant for more. You're tired of repeating the same life, tired of starting and stopping, tired of watching other people win while you keep telling yourself, one day I'll do it. But listen carefully. One day is not a date on the calendar. One day is a lie that keeps you comfortable. The truth is, most people don't fail because they are not talented. They fail because they keep waiting. Waiting for motivation, waiting for confidence, waiting for the perfect moment. And I need you to understand this. The perfect moment is not coming. Life doesn't wait until you feel ready. Life doesn't care if you're scared. Life doesn't slow down because you're confused. The clock keeps moving, and every single day you delay, you're paying with your future. Here's the hard truth. No one is coming to save you. Not your friends, not your family, not your boss, not your luck, not even your past prayers. If you want change, it's on you. And yes, that sounds heavy, but it's also powerful. Because the moment you accept that nobody is coming, you stop acting like a victim and you start acting like a leader. You become dangerous because now you realize you are the solution. You are the comeback. You are the rescue plan. But let me warn you, your biggest enemy is not failure. Your biggest enemy is comfort. Comfort looks harmless, but it destroys dreams silently. Comfort makes you quit early. Comfort makes you choose sleep over growth. Comfort makes you scroll instead of build. Comfort makes you believe you have time. And then one day, you wake up and realize years are gone. So ask yourself right now, how long will you keep living the same life? How long will you keep making excuses? How long will you keep betraying your own potential? Because you were not born just to survive. You were not born to live average. You were not born to watch life from the sidelines. You were born to build something, to become something, to prove something. And the truth is, you already have what you need. You don't need more motivation. You don't need more advice. You don't need another video. You need discipline. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is waking up when your body begs you to stay in bed. Discipline is working when nobody is clapping. Discipline is choosing the hard path because you respect your future self. And yes, it will hurt. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel alone. Some days you will feel like quitting. But listen, the pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts forever. So if you're going through a hard season right now, don't panic. That's not your downfall. That's your training ground. That's where strong people are built. You're not being punished, you're being prepared. And one day, all the nights you struggled, all the times you felt lost, all the moments you wanted to quit, will become the reason you win. So today, decide. Decide that you're done being weak, done being lazy, done being distracted, done being scared. Because your future is watching you. Your family's future is watching you. Your dreams are watching you. And the only question is, will you rise or will you repeat the same life again? Get up. And if you fall, get up again. If you fail, learn and get up again. If nobody believes in you, believe anyway. Because your breakthrough is not far. But it will only come to the person who refuses to quit. So say it with me. Not today. Not today I give up. Not today I settle. Not today I lose. Today I fight. Today I build. Today I become the person I was born to be.